Hello everyone! Is your diesel car taking too long to start, producing white smoke or misfiring in cold weather? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0675 Cylinder 5 Glow Plug Circuit Open, this means your engine's glow plug system has a fault. In this video, I'll explain what P0675 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, the exact locations of the affected sensors and components. Let's dive in. What is P0675? The P0675 Trouble Code stands for Cylinder 5 Glow Plug Circuit Open. Diesel engines depend on glow plugs to heat up the air inside the cylinders, making cold starts easier. When the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an issue with the glow plug in Cylinder 5, it triggers P0675, leading to hard starts, rough idling, and white smoke in cold weather. Common symptoms of P0675. Check engine light on hard starting in cold weather. Misfiring or rough idling, excessive white smoke from exhaust-reduced fuel efficiency. If you're facing these issues, let's locate the key sensors and components that could be causing P0675. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0675, check these key parts. Glow plug for Cylinder 5. Location: threaded into Cylinder 5 on the engine block near the fuel injector. Function: preheats the cylinder to aid ignition. If faulty, it won't generate enough heat, causing startup problems. Glow Plug Control Module, GPCM. Location: mounted on the engine block, firewall, or near the intake manifold. Function: regulates the voltage supplied to the glow plugs. If it fails, the glow plugs won't function correctly. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location: near the firewall in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function: monitors the glow plug system and triggers the P0675 code when a fault is detected. Glow plug relay. Location: found in the fuse box or mounted near the engine. Function: supplies power to the glow plugs. If it fails, the glow plugs won't work. Wiring and connectors. Location: runs between the PCM, GPCM, and glow plugs. Function: transfers electrical signals. Corroded or damaged wiring can cause an open circuit, triggering P0675. Common causes of P0675 faulty glow. Plug in Cylinder 5, a worn-out glow plug won't generate enough heat leading to P0675. Glow Plug Control Module, GPCM, malfunction. A faulty module won't supply the correct voltage. Broken or corroded wiring. A damaged electrical connection can disrupt the glow plug circuit. Glow plug relay failure. If the relay isn't working, the glow plug won't receive power. PCM error. In rare cases, a defective PCM may incorrectly trigger P0675. How to fix P0675. Step 1. Scan for additional codes. If multiple glow plug codes appear, check the entire glow plug system. Step 2. Test the Cylinder 5 glow plug. Use a multimeter to check resistance. Should be around 0.62.0 ohms. Step 3. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded, or broken wires and repair if needed. Step 4. Check the glow plug relay and fuse. Replace them if they fail to send power to the glow plugs. Step 5. Test and replace the glow plug control module, GPCM, if needed. If faulty, it won't send proper voltage to the glow plugs. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and verify the fix. Ignoring P0675 can cause hard cold starts, excessive white smoke, and increased fuel consumption. Fixing this issue ensures your diesel engine runs smoothly. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0604, Internal Control Module RAM Error P0605, Internal Control Module Read-Only Memory, ROM, Error. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.